In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data to Google Sheets on Todoist. Exporting your tasks to a spreadsheet is really useful if you want to do custom reporting, share project progress with your team, or just back up your data in a format you can sort and filter. I'll walk you through each click slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Todoist on your computer. On the upper left side of the interface, look for your profile icon. This is usually a small avatar or your initials in a circle. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a menu that gives you access to your account-related options. From that menu, select Settings. Clicking Settings will open a new window or panel where you can manage everything from your account details to notifications, and importantly for us, integrations. Inside the Settings view, look for the Integrations tab. It might be along the top or on the side, depending on your layout, but it will be clearly labeled Integrations. Click on Integrations to see all the tools that can connect with your Todoist account. Once you're in the Integration section, you'll see different tabs such as Installed and Browse. Make sure you're on the Browse tab, then click on Browse. This area shows you all the available apps and add-ons that work with Todoist. In the list of available integrations, scroll until you find the one labeled Export to Google Sheets. This is the official integration that lets you send your Todoist project data into a Google spreadsheet. Click on Export to Google Sheets to open its details page. Here you can see what the integration does and what kind of access it needs. On this details page, look for the button that says Add and click on Add. If this is your first time setting it up, Todoist may prompt you to sign into your Google account and allow permissions so it can create and update spreadsheets on your behalf. Just make sure you're using the Google account where you want your data to live. After the integration is added, go back to your list of projects and click on the project that you want to export. Open that specific project so you're looking at its tasks. Inside the project view, look for the three-dot menu, usually found near the project title or at the top right of the task list. Click on the three dots to open the project options. In this menu, you should now see an option that says Export to Google Sheets. Click on Export to Google Sheets, and Todoist will create a new spreadsheet in your Google Drive with the tasks from that project. Once it finishes, you can open the sheet, customize columns, add filters, or share it with others.